Hello guys, this is BK from BkayPhotos. I'm here today to talk to you about our upcoming workshop, which is going to happen on the 18th of January to the 1st of February. During this workshop, we are going to take you through how to handle the camera very well, to be able to take good images, how to pose models, and also how to retouch images to look very clear and professional. Again, we have a surprise package which involves drone photography and videography, and it's going to be taught by KhoPhi.
Hi, it's KhoPhi here. So the surprise that BK is talking about has to do with drone photography and videography. So you get up to speed with how to fly, a drone like a DJI Mavic Air. And then on top of that is getting up to speed with the FPV kind of drones. So these kind of drones where you get to fly and see through the goggles and be able to get video shots like these ones. It's going to be an exciting experience. If you want to learn more about how to be a part of the course, you can check the link in the description and you should find all the details related to registration and the cost involved. It's really fun flying these drones and you will get the opportunity to have first-hand experience in flying these. I'm super excited to meet you all and get to learn from each other.
The entire package goes for cool 200 Ghana cedis. To register, visit the link in the description or in the bio. Follow at BkayPhotos or follow us on all platforms for more updates.